Good afternoon. It's EMS Automotive from Detroit, Michigan, manufacturer old sheet metal. We're reviewing another one of our cars in our collection, and this is a 54 Chevy, four-door. You can see a wonderful shadow in the background on the white wall there. It's a 54 Chevy. This is one of our most fun cars to drive. Everybody likes it. It is a basically original car. It's got 44,000 miles on it. I bought it at about 41,000. 2008 from a gentleman in West Virginia. Took very good care of it. I think I'm the fourth owner. And 6-cylinder power glide. Typical four-door Chevy. White wall tires, hubcaps, power glide, 6-cylinder, all stock. No particular, it has been repainted once from what I heard the original owner did it somewhere in the 70s. The little old lady had it, and I bought it. It's original. I had the kids. We'd always pile in the car and go everywhere in this, not having to worry about it whether they spilled their McDonald's or not. Stuff like that. It's all stock. We are running radial tires on it, 205s, no problems. Fits easy, drives smooth. And so if anybody thinks they have a problem with putting radials on the old car, just know as long as they fit, it's gonna be okay. Like I said, it's all the original chrome. We used it in a lot of parades and everything. Back bumper got the wonderful power glide and Chevy emblem in the back. Bumper overrides. Had a few dress-up items like the chrome strip and everything. Let's get to the interior, which they had original. They had seat covers on it, so it's not so bad underneath. I do need to fix the seat cover though. Here again, the door is original. Crank windows, crank vent windows. Standard dashboard, nothing fancy. The radio doesn't work. There's no speaker. I did put electric wipers on there. I got them from the filling station in Lebanon, Oregon, and that was the best thing I ever did. It did come with a slightly different knob. But it's a whole lot better than the vacuum wipers that would always get stuck and never work in the rain. Now, are these electric wipers as good as the ones we got today in a new car? No, but they're a whole lot better than the original vacuum wipers. It does have a little dress-up eyebrow. Everybody seems to like that. The chrome is original. And we had this in the Dream Cruise also. Nothing spectacular. The springs are a little weak. Former owner did put electric fan on it. Like I said, we use it in a lot of parades, and that comes in quite handy. I have a switch to turn it off so the battery doesn't. And I did put paper element on there and eliminated the oil bath part of the filter. Is what it is. Nothing wrong with oil bath filters, but considering we're not using them every day. 6 volt, and there is the electric power wiper, which was pretty much a bolt-in. I don't think it took me 90 minutes to put it in, mostly crawling underneath to get the linkage set up. Does need a heater core. Not much of the engine with the sun coming through, but standard 6-cylinder. And it goes pretty darn good. It still has the points ignition system on. It had one of the former owners did put an alternator on it versus a generator. Minor detail, but it works. It all works well. It is a fun car. We didn't pay a lot for it. We didn't expect a lot on it. You know, if you really, it's a great driver, a super driver, not a perfection car, but that's okay. We had fun with it, and we had a lot of fun. Back seat, yeah, lots of room. Like I said, pile of kids in there, all the neighborhood kids and whatever, go out for ice cream. It was a blast. 54 Chevrolet Power Glide, 6-cylinder. EMS Automotive manufactures a sheet metal for your 35 to 58 Ford and Chevy cars.